Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to a 99-cent only store haul. This is a quick one for you guys. Small and quick for you guys. Because one of my points of my videos is to help you save your bottom dollar, not spend 1,000 of your bottom dollars just because there's oodles of stuff for 99 cents. So like I said, if you're interested in more things that they have at the 99-cent store than things that I purchase or come across, especially seeing that sometimes on most videos I don't get to capture just random things in the store, I might have to throw a shop with me 99-cent store day or something like that in there, so you guys can see all the other things that might benefit you and your family, and you know what you got going on that's different than what I have going on and what benefits mine. So welcome to my channel. Welcome to our 99-cent Thrifty Thursday video. And to the newbies and to my folks, what's up, folks? Let's just jump right into it. You guys know I always get my 6-count paper towels for $2.99. That's what's supposed to be back here, but it is gone because I had already put it up. I got home and started putting things up, and I was like, oh wait, I gotta do my video. So I got the paper towels for $2.99. They have this 1 = 4 giant roll of Charmin Essentials. I grab a couple of these because you guys know I buy the 12-count roll of toilet tissue from there too. However, Mom prefers something a little softer sometimes. You know, everybody has a preference, and sometimes, you know, the fellas, y'all know how men do tissue, and sometimes us women, we need our tissue. So I normally buy the pack of Charmin, but I was like, let me see how much, you know, this 1 = 4 lasts me compared to when I buy Charmin like in small bulk or whatever from somewhere else, because we all know Charmin is not cheap, right? So moving on, I just got an 18-count of paper plates. Sorry guys if you see my little buttercup in the video. This is actually from Trader Joe's, dark chocolate with sunflower seed butter. The bomb. Of course, non-GMO, all that greatness, all that goodness wrapped into a buttercup. Okay, moving on. Dad's still doing his pork rinds with his keto. We found out that he could do the wonton crisps, kitchen fixins. Now we've got the onion crisps because he can do those as well. Turkey bologna. I get a bologna occasionally. It is spring break. Everybody's home. So there's nothing wrong with having a little bit of extra random meat around for boys to eat on. Baby bell mushrooms. You can't go wrong sauteing mushrooms with everything. James red hot links made with chicken and beef. I know you guys have been seeing more pork on my channel over the last month than you've seen ever on my channel, period. And that's just simply because I'm trying to support Dad with him going strong with his keto stuff. So, however, enough is enough. I can't say there won't be any pork, but that's just because, you know, he has to do some kind of, you know, some pork with his meal plans and snacks and stuff like that. But we've definitely are backing up off the pork. So these are actually $1.99. These are great sausages. They taste really, really good. You guys know that these retail for at least a good $3 or more in a regular grocery store. Regular box of Cheez-Its, 12.4 ounce Star Wars Cheez-Its, 99 cents, special edition. 99 cents for these, 99 cents a bag here, 99 cents for the max pork skins, 99 cents for the fresh pack of portobello mushrooms, 99 cents for the bologna. 99 cents for the Lucy's vinegar. I normally buy the big giant gallon jugs of vinegar and just re-up on the bottles, but the bottle got old and dirty, and I think I lost the cap. So I was like, let me just buy another bottle. And there we have it. I use vinegar for everything, cleaning, cooking, all that good stuff. Caffeine protein smoothie, Nescafe, mocha. This is very new. Coffee oats, almond butter, and cocoa. Interesting, right? I was like, huh. It is non-dairy. All that wonderful information on there. It's made with cane sugar, no artificial sweeteners, no carcinogens, pretty much all the good stuff that you are needing and looking for when it comes to a coffee break. And then they added little protein goes a long way. I'm not one of those to say you need to be junked up on protein, but hey, nothing's wrong with protein, right? Over here, we've got our pears, and those were 99 cents a piece. These are 99 cents a piece. Over here, avocados, pears, lunch-sized apples, and oranges with the seeds in them. I am very gung-ho on food being non-GMO, natural as possible. Each bag of produce here was only $1.99. There's well over 7 pieces of fruit in each of these bags for only $1.99. You cannot go wrong with that, guys. You cannot go wrong. And this is what needs to be in your refrigerator. And this is what needs to be sustaining these children way more so than this. But a little bit of this goes a long way, and it's cool too. Now, you guys see this right here. The bottle alone is absolutely adorable, okay? Absolutely adorable. And I don't even think, this is not even a wood, a cork. This is like wood. So that's very interesting. Pinot Grigio Moscato, wine of Italy. How cute is it? I'm so mad that I didn't get another one, because of course I want to get one to actually taste it and drink, but then I want one because the bottle is just so stinking cute. But you guys know I'll be going to the 99 cent store next week, and if they happen to have, if it's meant to be, they'll have one, and I'll be able to grab another one. If I hadn't tasted, even if I have tasted this one by then, I'm definitely going to be trying that. So, oh, and this was $3.99. It's $3.99 at the 99 cent store, and then once big retailers get a hold of it, it'll go up a good $15 and be hard to find. But that's what you gotta love about the 99 cent store. They do get some great things in there. Just pop in there from time to time. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself. Be good to each other. Check out your 99 cent store. Try to sustain yourself and your family on your best bottom dollar. Save your ducat. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. Until next time, ciao.